Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. I, Souurabh R from Untitled PU College, am here to give you some tips as you prepare for your SSLC exam. I am here with few tips regarding how to prepare for your English tests. When it comes to English, the first thing that you have to take care of is your handwriting. So the first tip is straight, write legibly. I am not stressing on writing artistically, but write legibly. When it comes to writing, and in English especially, it comes also to spellings. Know your spellings very well. Supposing you make a mistake in the spelling, you will have to either cut it or overwrite it, thus rendering your answer sheet dirty, and that in turn gives you less marks. To avoid this, practice all your spellings well beforehand so that you go prepared to the exam hall. Now, once you are in the exam hall and when the paper is given to you, first of all, have a look at all the sections of the question paper. Supposing you are attempting the CBSE exam, the question paper will have sections on reading, writing and so on. Even otherwise, if you are taking the state syllabus or any other syllabus, there may be a section on comprehension passage or a few questions from course book. Go through the question paper and decide which section you are thorough with or which section you are more confident with. My advice to you is to begin answering from that section onwards, rather than simply starting to answer from the first question. As far as preparing for your exam is concerned, I am sure that you have already been following all the tips given to you by all your teachers till now. But towards the end, make a note of all the important 1 mark and 2 mark questions that you can study well beforehand itself. They come really handy at the time of exams. So with these few tips, I also advise you to follow all the tips and guidelines given to you by all your teachers. But with these few tips, I take leave of you. Wishing you all a very good luck in your upcoming exams. Thank you.